hacked into the walking for exercise video. So I was walking and I was recording everything. They took the sound away because I was being gang stalked. They took all the sound away from the videos. So that is the one for the walking video tonight, and I'll still make that public. Actually, all three of them can be public. The noise campaigns. They were harassing me in the house, and I was recording the noises, but I also created a daily live on the computer, and I also had the screen recorder going. So these four, walking, noise campaign, all of these they hacked into, and they took the volume away. And I think, let me look on right now. So this will tell me if I'm able to hear anything, and I'm not. Let me see. Yeah, on this video, they have the volume turned off completely to where I'm not able to hear anything. So yeah. So the whole purpose of recording these videos is to get proof that the CIA is doing noise campaigns with bone conduction technology throughout the night. I feel like this is proof enough. You have to hack into my phone to stop me from doing a live stream and recording the noises so that you can get away with your noise campaigns throughout the night. But at the same time, the body camera is still over there recording everything as well. And then you still have the desktop recording and the screen recorder recording as well. I have to reset my phone because nothing should be wrong with my phone. Nothing is wrong with my phone. I can actually, it's supposed to be a live stream going on right now. It should pop up, and it's not mobile live now. Hello? Yeah, so I'm live right now. And there's no volume whatsoever. The speaker is not off. Hello? Hello? So they're hacking into my phone so that it cannot record audio. And I I just took a screenshot because let me see if I can pull it up. They hacked into the phone. So they hacked into the phone, refused the videos having volume to prevent recording noise campaigns.